a magical land filled with vibrant flowers, playful animals, and colorful objects. The rainbow appears in the sky after a light rain. Meet Luna, a curious, energetic girl, love nature, and Benny, a funny, friendly rabbit who loves exploring.
Look, Benny, it's a rainbow. Have you ever seen one so bright and colorful?
Wow, Luna, it's like a magical painting in the sky, but which color comes first?
What do you think?
Let's go to find it.
I think it's time for a rainbow adventure. Let's explore and learn all the colors of the rainbow together.
The rainbow sparkles and beams brighter as they walk towards the rainbow. Characters stop in front of a big red flower.
This is the first color of the rainbow, red. Red is the color of love, passion, and bravery.
Like how I feel brave when I jump really high.
Benny does a big hop and lands near a red ladybug.
Red is also the color of apples. Red is the color of fire trucks and ladybugs. Look, Benny, we're surrounded by red.
They explore a red-themed area with different red objects, like a fire truck, an apple tree, and red balloons. They walk into an orange orchard.
Next up is orange color. Orange makes me feel happy and full of energy.
Like the yummy oranges I love to eat.
Benny picks an orange from a tree and takes a big...
Orange is also the color of sunsets. Orange is also the color of pumpkins. Let's play a game, Benny. Can you find the orange butterfly?
Benny runs around and finally finds the butterfly. They enter a sunny meadow with yellow flowers everywhere.
Look at all these yellow flowers. Yellow is the color of sunshine and joy.
And bananas. Yum! I love to eat.
Yellow also makes us feel cheerful, like when we see the sun in the morning.
Everything looks brighter with yellow.
They play with some yellow balloons and giggle as the wind carries them away. They arrive at a lush green forest filled with trees and grass.
Green is the color of nature and growth. Look at all these trees and plants.
Green is my favorite because I love to hop in the grass.
Benny jumps around and pretends to be a frog, blending in with the green surroundings.
Green is also the color of frogs, leaves. Green is the delicious veggies we eat to stay.
They reach a peaceful blue lake with the sky reflecting in the water.
Now we're at the color of the sky and the ocean. Below, blue is calming and peaceful.
Like the cool breeze by the lake.
They sit by the lake and Luna points to the bluebirds flying in the sky.
Blue is the color of the ocean, the sky, and even blueberries.
Let's have some blueberries.
They walk into a twilight forest where everything is glowing with a soft indigo light.
Indigo is a magical color, full of mystery and wonder.
Wow. It feels like we're in a magical world.
They spot an indigo-colored owl sitting on a tree.
Indigo is the color of the evening sky and the stars.
It makes me feel like anything is possible.
They enter a field of violet flowers surrounded by purple butterflies.
Last but not least, we have violet. Violet is the color of creativity and imagination.
It's like the color of dreams.
Benny draws a picture of the rainbow in the air with his paw.
Violet helps us think of wonderful ideas, like the stories we tell and the games we play. Wow, Benny, we learned all the colors of the rainbow today. What was your favorite color?
I think I like red the best. But each color is so special in its own way.
You're right, Benny. All the rainbow colors are beautiful and they each teach us something important. Thanks for joining us on our rainbow adventure.
See you next time for more colorful fun.
They wave goodbye to the rainbow.